How to report GCash scammer. Let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser. Once you're in here, in the search bar you need to search for or move into this site. It will land you on the page where you will be able to submit a ticket from GCash. Now once you're in this page, scroll down and you have to click on Submit a Request. Now enter your email address associated with your account and then enter your full name. Select the country and then enter the phone number. Once you have entered the phone number, in the concern section, you have to select I was scammed. After that, scroll down and fill up all of the information that is required. Also provide them the number and name of the scammer. Once you have provided all the information, at the bottom tap on Submit. Now within 24 hours, they will come up with some solution for you and then your reporting will succeed. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.